In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Sound section. In it, scroll down one more time, click on Vibrate Vocals, and set up the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Now scroll down again and tap on the shortcut to prevent ringing. If you wish to set up Vibrate, just click on it. Now go back and last but not least, scroll all the way down to click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Start Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!